What's going on? My name's Chris Badgett. I'm from LifterLMS, which is a learning management system plugin for WordPress, and I'm super excited about my presentation for the Page Builder Summit, which is all about the fast and easy way to create stunning online course and membership websites with WordPress using page builders. I think you're really going to like it. We're going to go into all the different ways to speed up the deployment of your sites, to accelerate it, to use templates and starter sites in new and interesting ways. I can't wait to see you at the summit.